We're going to test if Maxipodimus is ticklish. Ah! I love you.
Are you ticklish?
Max, you want to crawl? Crawl. Show everybody your crawling skills now.
Oh,
Come on.
come on. Let's go.
Crawl to mommy.
Let's go. Ready, charge.
Oh.